Welcome to Chapal Skymark, a 50-story, landmark tower shaping the skyline of Karachi. Built with the legacy and trust of Chapal Builders, the project represents refined, high-rise living at the heart of the city. A development of this scale demands dependable, uninterrupted power, especially for essential building systems and resident comfort. To support this requirement, Energy Solutions Private Limited supplied 3 Aksa diesel generators, 200 kVA, 300 kVA, and 500 kVA units, with Cummins engine and Stamford alternator, reinforcing the project with reliable backup power as part of Pakistan's growing high-rise infrastructure. To optimize power distribution across the facility, all 3 generators have been synchronized using deep sea control modules, enabling efficient load sharing, intelligent load management, and fully automated operation. The project also incorporates a specially engineered ventilation system and imported acoustic canopies, ensuring optimal cooling performance while achieving superior noise attenuation in accordance with project requirements. Our team managed every stage, from coordination and delivery to precise installation and commissioning, ensuring seamless integration into the project's electrical framework. Every project is approached with a long-term reliability focus, not just equipment supply. As Chapal Skymark stands tall over Karachi, ESL is proud to power its journey forward.